Mars is a cold and barren planet with no tectonic activity. However, in the past there were active giant volcanoes on Mars. The largest of these is Olympus Mons, which is located in the Tharsis region on the equator of the planet. Olympus Mons has a diameter of about 602 kilometers and a height of 25 kilometers, making it the largest volcano in the solar system. It is 100 times larger in area than Mauna Loa in Hawaii, the largest shield volcano on Earth, and 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Olympus Mons is a shield volcano, meaning that it was formed by lava flows that slowly oozed out of cracks in its crust. The lava flowed for millions of years, gradually forming an enormous volcanic cone. Olympus Mons was likely active about 3.5 billion years ago. At the time, Mars was warmer and wetter than it is today, and there was more water on its surface. This water could have contributed to the formation of the lava that flowed from Olympus Mons. Today, Olympus Mons is a dormant volcano. This means that it is no longer erupting, but it still poses a serious danger to potential Mars colonists. If Olympus Mons were to ever awaken, its eruption could be catastrophic. Olympus Mons is a unique and impressive geological formation. It is clear testament to the fact that Mars was once a much more active planet than it is today. Olympus Mons is a truly massive structure. It is so large that it can be seen even from orbit around Mars. The impressive size of Olympus Mons is due to the fact that it was formed by lava flows that went on for millions of years. Olympus Mons is an object of great interest to scientists. It is an important source of information about Mars' past and its geological history. Currently, Olympus Mons is being studied using spacecraft. In the future, it is planned to send research probes to Mars that will conduct more detailed studies of this unique object.